How to comment anonymously on Facebook group. This will show you how to post anonymous messages in Facebook groups. So first of all, you want to click on the comments of a post in a Facebook group. Then you will see in the bottom left hand corner your profile picture with a little drop down arrow there. You want to click on that at the bottom left. Then you will be able to select comment on this post as an anonymous member. You want to select that on. You'll see this anonymous comment here. You want to click on got it if you'll give you like the instructions of what you can and can't do. Then you'll see that you're commenting as an anonymous member. Once you can see that, you know you're commenting anonymously, and you will see right there, you'll be like anonymous participant and a number in there. You'll see your posters like that and it not be your own profile picture. You can do the same with posts too, so not just a comment on a post, but regular post. You can go ahead, you can even create a nickname if you want to, or you can just post as a completely anonymous member by clicking the following before you actually do the post as well. So you can do post, you can do like test or whatever, post it anonymously. Once you click the little drop down, it'll have like a silly name there, like Relaxing Parrot. You can change that to anonymous member. You can post whatever you like anonymously within there, of course within the Facebook rules, etc. But once you've done that, you'll see the post come up as anonymous member eventually. In some groups they might have to approve it and things like that, but that's how it's done. Leave a like on the video if it helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.